Yo, what is good? In this video, I'm going to be ranking the things that nobody talk about when it comes to making money online. The more higher I rank something in this list, the more money it will make you. And usually people won't talk about it online for some reasons. Okay, let's start off with let's start off with drinking caffeine. Okay, let's be honest. You've probably seen those videos where like people are like, yeah, hustle mentality. Yeah, you need to drink caffeine, this and that to make money online. Okay, I drink caffeine every single day, but is it the thing that makes me money? Of course not, but it helps me focus. But everyone just hypes this thing like it's the magic to making money online. But I'm gonna be honest, it's a tool. It's a tool. Okay, I just drank my cup of coffee, but it's like it's too hyped. I'm gonna put it in the neutral B tier. You know why? Because it's a tool to make money. Essentially, it makes you focus and keep grinding even if you're tired. But it's not the thing that makes you money. But I'm gonna put it in B tier. It's a tool. Okay, it's a tool. I think I'm gonna add Claude to this list as well. But next up we have morning routines, bro. Everyone online keeps hyping these morning routines. Even I sometimes may make a video like on my old trading channel. I used to make those trading morning routines for a reason because it got hype. Okay, that's the thing. It got hyped. But is it the thing that is going to make you rich? Is it the thing that is going to make you money online? Of course not. Okay, of course not. You know what time did I wake up today? Today I woke up at 3 p.m. I went to sleep at fucking 6 a.m. playing Roblox. Yeah, bro. I know. But obviously I got the tasks done. But listen, morning routine can help you. It allows you to have some structure in life, but it's so overhyped and it's not the thing that is going to make you rich, because usually people talk about, yeah, put your face in this cold thing and do this, go to the gym, this and that. But the thing that makes you money is the task. Okay, if you have a morning routine and you actually do the tasks in the morning, the hardest tasks, then it's good. But obviously, there's nothing wrong with going to the gym. I go to the gym. I do calisthenics. It's good, but it's not gonna make you rich. So I'm gonna put this in C tier. Super overrated as fuck. Okay. And then next up we have stress tolerance. Let's be honest. Nobody talks about this. I mean, some people may talk, but it's a niche thing to talk about stress tolerance when it comes to making money. Everyone online just hypes about, yeah, making your first 10K, your life is gonna be good, this and that. But they talk about it like it's all sunshines and rainbows. I'm gonna be real here, okay? It's fucking stressful. When you get to a certain level, you're gonna have teams that you need to manage and pay them, sales teams, fucking editors, this and that. It's gonna get stressful, and taxes and But it's much better than working a 9 to 5 job. Okay, I used to be flipping burgers, but this is much better, bro. But stress tolerance is S tier, S tier. Okay, this is like, you need to have a great stress tolerance to make a lot of money online. Okay, if you don't, you're gonna crumble and you should go to work a job. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, the next up we have listening. Listening to the basic advice of making money online. Like you search up online how to make money online. They're gonna talk about like do drop shipping, do e-commerce, do trading, do fucking Amazon FBA. This is so trash. You know why? Because they talk about that, but they don't talk about the fact that they are recording videos. I'm gonna get to that very soon. The thing that actually makes money, that makes me a lot of money, makes my students money. But they talk about all these fancy, easy side money, fucking money, side hustles, whatever it is. But they record videos and sell mentorships and courses, which makes them a lot of money. I'm gonna put this in D tier. Okay, this is, yeah, it's good to get the mentality of like, yeah, I want to make money, I want to get rich. But it's like, it's super overrated, man. And most of the people are just straight up listening to that advice and buying their whatever and not making any money in the end. Okay, I used to be in that position as well. Okay, I used to believe these guys, and it's a headache. Okay, next up we have this shit right here. Okay, my thing. What do? I help you sell your expertise online. I essentially teach you how to build a personal brand that makes a lot of money, you selling courses and mentorships in it. Okay, obviously you find a problem that you solved in your life, you teach it to others and make a lot of money. This is what everybody that you see online, like that you look up to online, these online gurus, they are doing it. Okay, so I want you to do it as well. So I'm gonna put this in S tier, obviously, because this makes the most money. Okay, this makes the most money. And if you want to learn exactly how to do it, I actually just finished a free 7-day bootcamp that you can find in the first link in the description. But let's continue. Okay, that's just a fucking method. Okay, next up we have networking to get rich. Okay, this is the thing that everybody online talks about. You need to network yourself to the riches. Go to Dubai and go to a fancy restaurant and start talking to people, bro. This is so fucking ass. You know why? Everybody talks about this. Like, this is the magic to making money. But if you go to these networking places and you don't have anything valuable to share to these people, you haven't achieved anything, why would they want to talk to you? Okay, you have to first get into a certain level that people are interested in talking to you. You cannot just be a leech who takes stuff, like takes value from them, takes, but doesn't have anything to provide and give and, you know, share value and thoughts to them. Therefore, this is so ass. And even if you have a lot of fucking money, this is still overrated, man. Just, yeah, you can do some collaborations if you have a personal brand sometimes here and there, if it's like profitable and it's like you enjoy it. But it's like overrated, man. It's so overrated. Just put the work in. Okay. Then we have consistency beats talents. This a lot of people talk about this. And it's actually true. This I agree with. Okay, consistency beats talent. Let's say if you're starting something, you don't have the skill, then you have to just stay consistent and put the work in, because that's just what's gonna happen. Okay, you're gonna stay consistent. You're gonna eventually learn it. You're gonna gain the talents, aka the skill, and then you're gonna make a lot of money. I'm gonna put this in A tier. Yes, people talk about this online, and it's actually true. Okay, it's true, right? Then we have everyone talks about this: discipline over motivation, bro. Discipline over motivation. Don't get me wrong. You need to be disciplined, but why wouldn't you want to choose something that you enjoy doing, so that you don't even need the discipline to make money? You get what I'm saying? Like, if you are in a field that can make a lot of money and you enjoy what you're doing every single day, then it's like, it doesn't even feel like work. Me recording these videos doesn't feel like work because I enjoy what I'm doing and it makes me money. Okay, so choose something that you enjoy. Therefore, you should choose the thing that I was talking about. Build a personal brand around a skill that you have, that you enjoy doing. You probably gained the skill because you are interested in it. Maybe you gain a six-pack, you're good at fitness, so you start teaching it to others, and you also enjoy teaching, you enjoy fitness. So naturally, the work doesn't even feel like work. Okay, this is so mid. Discipline is good. Sometimes you need discipline. Sometimes you don't just feel like doing it. But this is like, I'm gonna put in B tier. You need to enjoy what you're doing. Okay, you just honestly need to enjoy what you're doing. Even Donald Trump said this. Okay, he's a great businessman. He said this. He said that you need to enjoy what you're doing, right? Otherwise, you're gonna quit, because it's just our human brain, bro. We hate pain. Then we have going viral. Okay, this is like the people who teach about like views and stuff online. They usually say like, yeah, I need to go viral to get rich. Just go viral. Do this, do that. Here's a problem. The people who go viral, they usually have to post very broad content. They have to just entertainment, this and that, but that doesn't correlate with the audience that they actually need. Okay, they need to post to people who have problems in a specific field so that they will buy from them. But just going viral, posting broad content that most people teach, that's just like, that doesn't gain you the audience that will buy from you eventually. So I'm gonna put this in C tier. Okay, if you go viral teaching and actually posting value and you're good at marketing, then it's super good, because then you're going viral and then you're gonna get rich eventually. But it's like, it's super good. But it's like going viral itself, it just gains you a bunch of followers who don't buy from you, and it eventually destroys your brand. Okay, but let's move on to recording videos online. Super underrated, and almost, again, when you search up online how to make money, everyone just talks about do e-commerce, do trading, do this. There's nothing bad about those itself, but the people who teach about those stuff, they record videos. So and they're making millions. So obviously you should also consider the thought of, maybe I should record as well and teach something valuable and help the society. This is gonna change your life. Record videos, bro. Record videos. Build a personal brand. Trust me, bro. And again, if you want to learn everything for free, first link in the description. And also if you want to join my free Telegram. But then we have selling high ticket instead of low ticket, meaning that you're going to sell something expensive to your clients. Okay, maybe a 5K, 2K, 7K mentorship, but you're going to change your life in it. Super, super powerful. You know why? Because I used to be selling low tickets. When I was teaching people how to trade, I used to be selling low tickets. I was making like 2K per month. But the people who join, they're not going to take it as seriously. They just paid you like $50 and they're like, okay, yeah, I'm going to learn from this and that. But as soon as I went from low ticket to high ticket, I was at 1K subscribers on YouTube on my first channel. I got to 10K within like fucking 10, 20 days of starting selling high ticket. And think about this, you need a handful of people paying you monthly, you make a lot of fucking money. And also, the people who join your high ticket, they're most likely gonna get the results and you're gonna get a testimonial because they just paid you a lot of money. Obviously, they want to succeed. Yeah. But this is super underrated, okay? Super underrated. And most people just won't even tell you that you should sell info. High ticket, super, super underrated, super, super good as well. Think less, do more. I think I've only heard like a couple of people online talk about this. Super underrated. Most people think that they need to now analyze everything before starting. But listen, bro, you need to just do. Because when you do, you eventually learn it while, like, you get better at the skill and actually going out there, putting in the work in and getting results at the same time, if that makes sense. Most people just think they need to analyze everything, read a bunch of books before starting. Just start and you're going to learn it. And you're gaining momentum while doing it. Do this, bro. Do more. Okay, think less. Okay, and then eventually you're gonna analyze everything, what worked and what didn't work. All right, and then last up we have posting YouTube videos. This is kind of similar to this and this, like recording videos, this and that. Again, almost nobody tells you that you should start a YouTube channel. Listen, YouTube is one of the best platforms to sell info on, to sell coaching, to sell courses and mentorships. You know why? Because this is what nurtures people into buying customers. They're spending a lot of time watching your videos, and especially if you know how to do it strategically, posting top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom funnel videos, meaning that this is a top of funnel video. Okay, if you don't know anything, just go watch the free bootcamp in the description. But essentially, why YouTube is so good is because it allows you to nurture these people into buying customers super easily. There's a study that it takes 7 hours of watch time for a person to trust you and buy from you. Okay, so that's why YouTube, S tier. Okay, Instagram is also good. This short form platform is also good, but YouTube wins. Okay, but regardless, man, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and obviously watch the free bootcamp in the description. Peace out.